In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automatically link your bank feed to QuickBooks Online. This is a great way to simplify your accounting process by keeping your financial data current with minimal effort. Linking your bank feed ensures that all your financial transactions automatically sync with QuickBooks Online, providing you with real-time updates and helping you maintain accurate records. Let's dive into the process of setting this up together. First, to begin linking your bank feed, take a look at the left panel on your QuickBooks Online dashboard. You'll want to click on the section labeled Transactions. This is where you'll find an overview of your current transactions, making it your starting point for linking your bank. Once you're in the Transactions section, you'll notice an option for Bank Transactions. Go ahead and click on that. This is where we're going to set things in motion. As you enter the Bank Transactions area, look to the top right corner of the screen, and you'll see a button labeled Link Account. Click on this button to start the process of adding your bank feed to QuickBooks Online. This will open up a search function where you can find your specific bank. Once you've clicked on Link Account, a search bar will appear, enabling you to enter the name of your bank. QuickBooks supports thousands of financial institutions, so it's likely you'll find yours with ease. As you type, suggestions should begin to populate, guiding you toward the right choice. After locating your bank, the next step involves the authentication process. This process can vary from bank to bank, as each financial institution has its unique security measures. Don't worry, the interface will guide you through what's required. Typically, you'll need to log in using your online banking credentials. Make sure you have your username and password handy. Following successful authentication, you'll allow QuickBooks to securely connect with your bank, ensuring all transactions are synced automatically. The beauty of setting this up is that once your bank feeds are successfully connected, all your bank transactions will start updating automatically in QuickBooks Online. This means less manual entry for you and a reduced chance of errors, freeing you to focus on what matters most in your business. The real-time updates provided by this setup are invaluable for monitoring cash flow, budgeting, and preparing financial reports without the hassle of entering data manually. And there you have it, a simple process that streamlines your financial tracking, giving you more time to focus on running your business. By following these steps, you're on your way to more efficient financial management. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more tips on maximizing QuickBooks Online.